Hi, I'm Kathy and welcome to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to make some chicken wings in the air fryer, and I'm going to use a garlic parmesan seasoning that I got at Walmart. I was going to make my own seasoning, but then I saw this and said, oh, why do I have to make my own seasoning? It's already done for me. So that's another easy step. And I went ahead and bought a 4-pound bag of chicken drummettes. And so they're nice little mini drumsticks from the chicken wings. And so it should be pretty easy to do. I'm only going to do 2 pounds because there's only 2 of us. And that's going to be a lot. I went ahead and defrosted the drummettes. And now the next thing you want to do is make sure you pat them dry. So let's get going with the chicken wings. So I've defrosted these and I'm just going to put them in the paper towel and just kind of make sure that I pat them dry. And I believe there's a bag. Oops. No, maybe not. No. I thought there was like a bag in there or something. Let me get a bowl. Chicken wings are so easy to make in the air fryer. They really are. They're like the best. I like to coat them with some seasoning. This is going to be our game day food, along with the potato skins that I did, which there'll be a link for, and also the, this is good, the sweet sriracha bacon wrapped onion rings. Oh my goodness, they are so yummy. So now that I pat dried the chicken wings or drummettes, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this seasoning on. I'm just going to use the whole package. And then just use my hands. I could have put them in a plastic bag and shake them up like shake and bake, but we'll just do this. My air fryer has already preheated at 400 degrees. And having a 6-quart basket is nice because I can put all of these wings in there and not have to do this in batches. All right, I think we got this mixed up pretty well. Looks like everything's coated with it. Go ahead and take the basket. It's already been greased. And just go ahead and lay these in there. There we go, all in the basket. Pop them in the air fryer. We're gonna do 400 degrees and I'm gonna go for 20 minutes and then I'm going to flip them over and go again, just checking them. I kind of like to see how things are going when I make chicken wings because we like ours a little more on the crispy side. So it's just a matter of adding a few minutes here and there. Be right back. Okay, we've let the little chicken drummettes cook in the air fryer for 20 minutes. And look how nice it's getting crispy. Yes, I know, it's chicken. Oh my goodness. The puggers are at my heel. And we're just going to kind of turn them a little bit. And then we'll put them back in. And since these are already getting kind of crisp on the one side, and we like it crispy, and you want to make sure it's thoroughly done, thoroughly cooked also. So I'm going to put them back in at still 400, and we're going to cook them for 10 more minutes and check them. Okay, the chicken wings are done. Oh my goodness, they look so yummy. I'll show you in the basket. Look how nice and brown and crispy they are. This is going to be awesome. Again, it's so easy to do chicken wings in the air fryer. We love it, love it. This is one of the main reasons we bought an air fryer. So we could do our chicken wings in here, not all the grease, not all the mess, and they always come out so wonderful. They're juicy and tender on the inside and nice and crispy on the outside. There we go. And I'm gonna have to let them cool just a little bit before I taste test them. Oh my goodness, look at this wonderful chicken little wing drumette. It's nice and crispy and golden on the outside. Yum. All done and juicy on the inside. So let's try it. Oh, it's still hot. Oh wow, that is so good. That is so good. I really like that seasoning. They had other flavors too, like teriyaki and I forget what else, but oh, buffalo chicken wings, I think. But this garlic parmesan is awesome. And the chicken came out so nice, crispy on the outside and nice and juicy and tender on the inside, just the way we like it. So another great game food or party food, or, you know, just on the nights that you feel like having chicken wings. Super easy in the air fryer. So love it. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below, and click on that little bell so you get notification of my next video. Until the next time, guys, see you later. Bye.